Speak fast and clear.
You can do it. Every big dream start with a small step. If you want to do something, just begin. Believe in yourself and great thing will happen. Something. The road is not easy. There are problems and challenges, but remember every challenge is a chance to grow. When you feel tired, take a deep breath and smile. Say to yourself, I am strong, I will not give up. Positive thoughts make a big difference. Mistakes are not bad, they help you learn and become better every time you fall. Stand up and try again. Never stop believing in yourself. Keep going, keep learning, and keep dreaming. You can do it.